Hello and welcome. If you love creating handmade X-Max ornaments and festive decoration and you are wondering how to turn your passion into a thriving business, you are in the right place. Today we will explore step-by-step strategies to grow your handmade ornaments business, from building your brand to reaching customers online and offline and keeping sales strong year after year. So grab your notebook, relax, and let's dive in. So, the very first step in growing any handmade business and defining your brand identity, ask yourself, what makes my ornaments special? Do I focus on rustic wooden designs, sparkling glass, baubles, burlap, or personalized name ornaments? Am I targeting families, collectors, or holiday gift shoppers? A clear brand helps customer instantly organize your style. For example, if your ornaments are eco-friendly and made from natural wood, highlight that. If they are elegant and personalized with names or photos, that makes your main selling point. Remember, in the handmade world, your story sells as much as your product. Share the inspiration behind your designs. People love to know the hands and heart behind what they are buying. Next, focus on products quality and variety. Customers buying X-Mix decoration expect items that last, not something that breaks before the holiday season ends. Use durable materials and pay attention to finishing touches like smooth edges, secure hooks, and neat packaging. Point number three, create variety, offer sets of ornaments, different themes, and custom options. Personalized ornaments are especially popular because they make meaningful gifts. You don't need hundreds of designs to start, but having 5 to 10 strong collection gives buyer choice while still keeping your brand consistent. And here's a tip, always think about packaging. A beautiful box or festive wrapping can make your ornaments feel gift ready, adding extra value. Now let's talk about selling online. This is where most your growth will happen. Platforms like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, and even Shopify are perfect for handmade ornaments business. They are already have customers searching for X-Max items. The success online focus on high quality photos, show ornaments, or dream gift boxes and close-up shots. So next point is SEO friendly descriptions. Use keyword like handmade X-Max ornaments, personalized holiday decoration, or rustic tree decor. Seasonal timing, start posting and promoting by September or October, so buyers have plenty of time to shop before December. Also, don't ignore social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok are visually driven and perfect for showing your handmade process. A short video of you painting or finishing an ornament can go viral and attract hundreds of buyers. While online is powerful, don't forget local opportunities. Craft fairs, X-Max markets, and holiday pop-up shops are perfect for places to meet customers face to face. Bring a variety of products, display them beautifully, and always have business cards or QR codes leading to your online shop. Many customers you meet in person will continue buying from you online for years to come. Also consider approaching local gift shop, a holiday or holiday boutique. Many store owners are happy to stock unique handmade items, especially during the festive season. From customers, so you can remind them every year when new collection launch, special designs only for that year. This creation urgency and collectors love it. Bundle offer, sale set of 3 or 5 ornaments, add a slight discount to encourage bigger purchases. And remember, great customer experience build loyalty, reply quickly and questions, ship on time, and package items with care. A handwritten thank you note goes a long way. Happy customers not only come back next year